Hey, welcome to Strategy Shift, Thoughts on the Go. And today I want to talk to you about the quickest way to save money in your business, or to make money actually in your business. There are two ways to make money. The number one way that people think about is to sell more of something at a higher cost or at higher cost. There's another way that's extremely simple to do and a lot easier to do than trying to sell more at a higher cost, is to make the process inside your business a bit more efficient. So reduce the cost of doing business. Basically, if it takes you $10 to provide a service to somebody, or $10 to make a product and you sell it for $15, you can increase the price, sell more, or you can reduce the amount of money it costs you to provide the service or make the product. And that is one of the most underrated methods of making money in the business. And the reason for that, because most people talk about it as if saving money. How do I save money? How do I improve my efficiency? What people should be talking about is, how do I make money inside my business? It's change of mindset. The frame is what's gonna take you to the next level. So, for example, a lot of the times big businesses, they become super inefficient. Just bureaucracy, many departments involved, many people involved, acquisitions, things like that. And the processes just don't align. So it takes a lot of time to get some simple things done. There's a lot of rework. There's a lot of, extra paperwork, extra steps, and all of that. And as a result, the cost of business is increasing. So what the general approach usually is to expand in a new market, create a new product and all of that to increase the revenue that the business produces. And that's one legitimate way of doing this. However, you increase complexity. The minute you add a new product, or add a new service, or even increase the price, you increase complexity of doing business, because new product adds new processes, new service adds new people that you need to provide the service. Higher price increases complexity in the sales process, because now you have to sell to a different group of people. So that's the result of making money one way. The second way of making money, and this is the easier way in my opinion to make money, is to reduce the cost of doing business. And it's easier to reduce the cost of doing business because you don't have to convince any of the clients to buy more stuff and all that. You don't need to gain new clients. All you have to do is figure out what the process is right now, what are the current steps, what are the blockers, how long it takes, and then take a step back and figure out how you can simplify things, what you need to cut, what part of the process, what part of your business is not producing money, what part of your business is costing you too much money. Is there a way to simplify it? Is there a way to outsource something? Is there a way to automate it? And that's how you make money. As a matter of fact, you can make a lot of money just doing step removal in your processes, and without increasing revenue, without doing all the extra legwork. And as a result of doing that, you make customer service better, you produce better products, you produce better services. People are happier because they don't have to do rework, they don't have to do things that they didn't sign up to do. So you make your business healthier, and a healthier business becomes more attractive to your customers. So as a result, you're probably going to get more customers. So remember, two ways to make money in the business. It's just way number one is to sell more product or charge a higher price. And the second way, which is much more efficient and easier to implement, is to make your business more efficient, reduce the complexity, reduce the number of steps it takes to produce, deliver, and fulfill your products or services. All right, this has been Strategy Shift, and I'll see you next time.